This is part 2 of swatching those 3 Dan Smith colors: Zoisite, Cobalt Turquoise, Mayan Dark Blue, and Manganese Violet. I do want to show you a comparison of the Mayan Blue Genuine and the Mayan Dark Blue. So I'll show you the Genuine first. Just going to wet some paper here. So this is the Genuine. It really is a beautiful color. It's very transparent, has a lighter value than the Mayan Genuine, or not the Mayan Genuine, the Mayan Dark Blue. And let's see, I'll show you how dark it can get. It also has a granulation to it, so this is the Genuine. Now it's looking darker, I think, than it is on camera. So there's just some marks and how it behaves when you add water to it. Let's check the blooms. Oops. I like a lot of water. It's actually just beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, I'm not sure why I didn't find it satisfying. I haven't worked with it in a few years. Well, I certainly liked it enough to go through pretty close to a tube of it. So there's the Mayan Genuine. And here is the Mayan Dark Blue. A lot of movement in that. And you can see how much darker it is than that. They're both beautiful. Dan Smith has way too many gorgeous colors. Anyway, so that's the difference between the Mayan Genuine and the Mayan Dark Blue. So, what I am doing, what I'm really doing, is, excuse my movement here, swatching, or mixing, doing some mixing swatches of the Zoisite, Cobalt Turquoise, Manganese, and Mayan Genuine. I throw in QOR. So Oh, hi, I'm back. So I finished my grid here, and with the Zoisite, the Cobalt Turquoise, the Vinci Manganese, Violet, and QOR, and Mayan Dark Blue. And here are those swatches dry. So you can see the difference between the dark blue, Mayan dark blue, and the Mayan genuine. One is much grayer than the other. They're both beautiful. So here's all of my colors from swatching the other day with the addition of the Quin Gold. And I think the only one I'm not terribly crazy about is this. This one is a little muddy, quite a bit muddy. I'm not sure it's real appealing, but yeah, they all mix beautifully. I do love this manganese violet with the Zoisite. Has, particularly if you use a little more Zoisite with that manganese, it really is a lovely transparent color with some interesting granular effects. So this is not an organized grid by any means, but it serves me. So you know, I'm not picky about having everything in any particular order. But this will just tell me what these colors look like mixed together. Again, the Zoisite and the manganese are very lovely. Looks good there too with the Cobalt Turquoise and the Mayan Dark Blue. So there you go. Oh, there's the Quin Gold and the Mayan Dark Blue. That's kind of a nice army green, I guess you would call it, a nice outdoor color. This is lovely with the Cobalt Turquoise. So there you go. Just a little chart. Next up, I'll be doing a painting with these colors. See what I come up with. I think I will eliminate that color, the Quin Gold. So, bye-bye.